Unsa ba ang reason nganong dili gyud ta maka-save? One of the root cause why we cannot save money because we have poor mindset about savings. Changing also our mindset could help us also change our ways since we all know naman that our mind control us in totality. Kailangan nato ni ma-address ang root cause so that maka-move forward ta on our plans to start saving. Here are 3 ways in order for you to change your mindset about savings. Number 1, start now, as in now. And be consistent. Saving money is not all the amount you keep, but actually, you need to do that one on a habitually consistent manner. Kailangan nimo ni buhaton na consistent manner because gina-train nimo ang imong mind. By the end of the month, if dili ka makahulog sa imong savings, murag ma-feel nimo nga murag na may something kulang. Because naging habit na nimo ang maghulog sa imong savings. Actually, duha ra man ang habit the good one and the bad one. So, asa man ka didto. Good one is, despite nga mahal na kay ang pamaliton, but you manage to save money, bahala na ginagmay as long as it is better to have savings nga 100 pesos per month kaysa totally zero gyud. Bad habit sad, if sige na gani kag laag, sige pa kag gasto, di pa gyud ka mag-save. So, murag di na gyud pug siya sakto. Second, you need to have a target. Dili man pwede nga magtigom ko karon, but wala kay target, dili pug ka guided. And also, less ang imong motivation to save because you don't know what you are saving for. Think about long term kung unsa ba gyud ang imong financial goals for this year, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and so on. Third tip, mao gini pinaka-importante. You need to practice delayed gratification. Mostly magud sa tuwa, sige tagsulti og deserve ko to. My goodness. Yeah, I know we deserve all the best in this world because also we are working for it. But if sobra na, murag mali naman sad. Nagkautang-utang na ka, kaya nag-overspending ka, kaya tungod lagi, deserve ni mo ni. So, pag-abutan na sa panahon, ganun wala kay natigom, and you experience difficulty, I think you also deserve that one. Key lang yun, we need to sacrifice now first because mas grabe pa ang deserve moments nga ma-feel nimo once you achieve your financial success and financial goals. So remember this, start now, start small, and be consistent so that ma-achieve nimo gradually ang imuhang financial target.